Ganpati Bappa Moria. What's up, people? A very good morning. It's been exactly 1 hour since I left home, and if you guys are wondering where we are riding today and the next 3 days, so we are actually riding to Valparai. Then we will be heading towards Athirapalli waterfalls, and from there we will be heading to Munnar, and from Munnar back to Bangalore. So that's a brief plan. I'll be talking more about in detail as we move on with the rides. But for now, man, the climate is very pleasant. So the route exactly to Valparai from here is Bangalore, Krishnagiri, Salem, and from Salem it is Valparai. Next stop after Krishnagiri, we would hop in for a quick coffee break. So here we are crossing Krishnagiri. Yeah, I think I would say that was a decent speed from Electronic City to Krishnagiri, and it's been exactly like 1 hour 5 minutes since we left home. Nice. I think it's time for a quick coffee break. Alright then, so that was our quick coffee break after 98 kilometers of run from our home. From there we actually did a quick check, and it's 1.5 hours to Salem. Kilometer wise, I think it should be around 90 to 95 kilometers, and I think by the time check now is 7 o'clock, so I think we should be reaching there by 8, or not 8 exactly, maybe 8:30. That's where we would finish our breakfast. So talking about the plan for today, it's not something like we'll be halting today in Valparai, but rather it is like 20-30 odd kilometers before Valparai, and the reason is you have a check post to enter Valparai, and it closes at 5 p.m. because that's basically a forest zone, I believe. That's the reason, they close it at 5 p.m. and I didn't really want to take any risk, and also to have some buffer time with me. If at all, for some reasons we get delay and you reach it after 5, then it will be a trouble for us to really check for halt or stay. That's the reason I booked it before that check post or before Valparai. And moreover, after that check post you get multiple hairpin bends, and you get a nice feeling when you ride through those hairpin bends in the morning time rather than after 5 p.m. or after dark. So these were a couple of reasons. One was about the timing, which gets closed at 5 p.m., the check post thing, and the second was to enjoy the hairpin bends in the morning session. So yeah, so I think with this we should be reaching to our stay for today by maximum by 4 or 4:30. Here we are took a second break, petrol break basically. We had 2 bars, but then I thought let's refuel it, and I think from here Salem is around 30 or 25 or 30 odd kilometers. So we should reach there by 8:15 or 8:30. Not so hungry for the breakfast, so maybe after crossing Salem we would be finishing our breakfast. So far the ride has been pleasant, and no issues as such. And here is our TRKX. Yeah, this 2-lane is kind of slowing us down to maintain a constant speed. I think we entered Salem, and this is what it is happening. A lot of diversions, a lot of traffics. It's literally slowing us down a lot. 4th diversion. All right, a quick update. The time check is 11:07, and so far we have clocked 338 kilometers. We are about to reach Coimbatore. We would be taking a bypass. టచ్ అవుతుంది కదా, చూసా కొంచెం కొంచెం అమ్మక అది ఆ పక్క. ఓకే, here we are at the cottage. A quick update is we reached here at 1:30. We had a quick lunch. Now I think the time is 5. It was little tiring stuff, I don't know, after lunch we had a good nap. The nap was like deepest nap. It was very nice. Now we are in this cottage. Let me show you where is that. Alright, so this is basically a farm, a coconut tree farm, and that's where we are staying. And here is our Benelli TRK parked, and you can see it's full of coconut tree farm actually. Very nice and pleasant stay actually. So what you just saw was the cottage where we are staying, and behind the cottage we have this Aliar Dam, and we are actually in Aliar Dam. The water is very low for now. One second. Yeah, it is very low, but then location is very nice. We're kind of spending some time here. If you could see, that is where the water is. It's pretty low as compared to earlier, or maybe let's say monsoon times, I believe so. The time check now is 6:30 or something, and yeah, it should be dark pretty soon. And the scenic here is like very nice. If I could show you.
So that was the Aliar Dam. We were fortunate enough that we could get into the dam, and at the same time a cottage is very much nearby to this dam. That was some kind of add-on advantage. The sunset is getting amazing.